Did you know that over 2.9 billion people use Facebook every month? And that Facebook ads generated $84 billion in revenue in 2023 alone? If you're running a Shopify store and you're not leveraging Facebook ads to grow your business, you're leaving serious money on the table. Today, we're going to dive into exactly how you can run Facebook ads for your Shopify store and supercharge your sales in 2024. Part 1. The big picture. Why Facebook ads and Shopify are a match made in heaven. Let's start with the why. Why should you, as a Shopify store owner, care about Facebook ads? Well, here's the secret. Facebook's algorithm is a marketer's dream when paired with Shopify. The platform knows what your customers want before they even search for it. That's because Facebook gathers user behavior from your every click, like, and comment. And when you mix that with Shopify's ability to track customer activity, it becomes a powerful duo. Think of it like this. Facebook is your front-end scout, gathering intel on potential buyers, while Shopify is your back-end army, ready to deploy the exact products those buyers crave. Part 2. Setting up your Shopify store for ad success. Before you even think about running Facebook ads, your Shopify store needs to be optimized for conversions. Here's where most people slip up. You don't want to drive traffic to a site that's not ready to handle it. It's like inviting guests over before cleaning your house. Trust me, it won't end well. Here's what you need to do first. Make sure your store is fast. Slow websites kill conversions. Shopify has built-in speed features, but also compress your images and minimize extra code. Install Facebook Pixel. This is crucial. It's like planting a seed on your store that grows with each visitor. The Pixel tracks who's been to your store, what they looked at, and whether they completed a purchase. Optimize for mobile. 79% of Facebook users only access the platform through their phones. If your store isn't mobile-friendly, you're missing out on the majority of your audience. Creating your Facebook Business Manager account. Now, let's shift gears to the ad platform itself. Part 4. Understanding Facebook ad campaign structure. Campaign, ad set, and ads. Okay, here's where the magic starts to happen. Facebook ads have a 3-level structure. Campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Let's break this down like a story. Campaign. This is the overarching goal. What you want to achieve. Is it brand awareness, traffic, or conversions? For Shopify, you'll typically want to focus on conversions or traffic. Ad set. Here, you define your audience, budget, placement, and schedule. Think of this as your casting call. Who's your ideal customer? What's your budget? Where do you want your ads to appear? Facebook lets you target based on interests, behaviors, and demographics, but I'll show you a trick later on how to make this even more powerful. Ads, finally, the star of the show, the actual ad your customers will see. This is where your creativity needs to shine. Visuals, copy, and call to action, all of it matters. Part 5. Targeting your ideal audience beyond basic demographics. Here's where you can go from average to exceptional with Facebook ads. Your targeting. Most people stop at age, gender, and location. But you're not most people, right? Let's dive deeper. Custom audiences. This is where Facebook Pixel comes into play. You can target people who've already interacted with your store, visited your website, added something to their cart, or bought from you before. It's like speaking to a warm audience instead of cold calling strangers. Lookalike audiences. This is a game changer. Once you've built a list of your best customers, you can create a lookalike audience that shares similar interests and behaviors. Facebook will find people who are likely to love your products based on your existing buyers. Interest-based targeting. Go beyond basic demographics by targeting users based on their interests and online behavior. For example, if you're selling fitness gear, target people who engage with fitness pages, follow athletes, or have fitness apps. Part 6. Crafting irresistible ad creative. Copy and visuals that convert. Let's talk about creativity. This is what separates good ads from bad ones. Your visuals need to stop the scroll. You only have about 3 seconds to grab someone's attention on Facebook, so make it count. Here's what works. Bold, eye-catching visuals. Whether it's a video or an image, make it pop. Use vibrant colors that stand out in the newsfeed. Compelling copy. Here's the thing. Your headline should be straight to the point, but also enticing. Use phrases like limited offer, get 20% off, or exclusive for you. Be clear about the value. whether it's a discount, benefit, or free shipping. Call to action. Be specific. Instead of shop now, try get yours before they're gone or claim your discount today. Urgency works wonders in Facebook ads. Part 7. Budgeting and bidding strategies for maximum ROI. Now let's talk numbers. How much should you spend on Facebook ads, and how do you ensure you're getting the best bang for your buck? Start small and scale. If you're new, start with a modest budget, say $10 to $20 per day. Test different audiences and creatives, then double down on the ads that perform best. Automatic versus manual bidding. If you're unsure, start with automatic bidding. Facebook will find the best way to allocate your budget. Once you get more advanced, you can experiment with manual bidding to control costs better. Lifetime budget versus daily budget. Lifetime budgets are great for seasonal promotions or specific campaigns. Daily budgets work better if you want steady traffic over time. Part 8. Tracking, analyzing, and optimizing your campaigns. Here's a common mistake: launching your ad and then forgetting about it. Facebook ads require constant monitoring. You need to track performance and optimize regularly. Check key metrics. Look at your click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, and cost per acquisition, CPA. If one of these numbers looks off, tweak your ad creative, targeting, or bid strategy. A/B testing. Always test multiple versions of your ads to see what works best. Change one element at a time, like your headline, image, or CTA, and let the data decide which performs better. Retargeting. Remember that pixel we planted earlier? Now it's time to use it. Retarget people who visited your store but didn't buy. These are low-hanging fruit and often have higher conversion rates. Part 9. Closing and call to action. Running Facebook ads for your Shopify store is more than just launching a campaign. It's a combination of strategy, creativity, and constant optimization. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of the game. Now it's time to take action. Start by setting up your business manager, get your pixel running, and test different ad strategies. And trust me, the results will speak for themselves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips.